Hey there, thanks for stopping by Manly Bands. If you're here, I can only assume that you're curious about putting circular things on your fingers. So we'll do our best to satiate that curiosity right now with a little band I have in here called the Kraken, or Kraken, depending on how weirdly you like to pronounce things. I guess it's technically Kraken, phonetically, but I mean, if you're Liam Neeson, you can say whatever you want, so just channel some of that. Inside, we've got this beautiful welcoming card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. There's some compliments in there, a QR code if you're a dork, and customer service information. Also, some pictures about where to find us on social media, so get your band, post some pictures. We'd love to see them. We'd love to see you, but in a non-creepy fashion. Inside, here we go. We have it. That is the Kraken. This is a handmade black zirconium with a hunter orange Cerakote sleeve. It's got a beveled design on it, super smooth fit, so perfect for hunting those mythological cephalopods from Scandinavian folklore. That's, you know what, that's actually why we put that hunter orange on there, to alert other sailors as to your presence and also where they can pick up a pretty great ring. So, tell all of your seafaring friends where they can get a great band, and also that whenever they order it, they'll also get this, which is another band. This is our black silicone band that comes with every purchase. Also a great option. Inside of the box, we also have some special offers, promotional deals for people that we like to partner with that we think will bring you great deals, because that's what we like to do here. So, thanks for stopping by Manly Bands and checking out the Kraken.